Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you this dashcam from the company Xiaomi. This is a Xiaomi 1S car dashcam. It features a large 3-inch IPS LCD screen. This dashcam uses an IMX307 sensor with 3D noise reduction. It records in Full HD 1080p with Starvis Nightvision. Let me open this up and I'll show you what the dashcam looks like. Windshield mounts, USB power cable, 12-volt power adapter. Here's a look at everything you get with this dashcam. Now I should mention this 1S dashcam only has support for Chinese language. So later on in the video you'll see the menu is only in Chinese. But the setup is very simple and I'll show you that later. Now it comes with these two clear films. You install this onto the windshield and then you place the windshield mount directly onto this clear film. This is not a suction cup, it uses a double-sided tape that you see right here. To install the windshield mount onto the dashcam, it's very simple. Slide this end to the top of the dashcam. You can loosen this collar, adjust the angle, and tighten it. To install the power cable, plug this end of the USB connector to this 12-volt power adapter. Plug the other end with this right angle micro USB connector. Plug it into the unit, and then plug the power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. To install the memory card, open this cover on the side, place a memory card into this slot. Now this dashcam supports up to 64 GB of memory size. Let's have a closer look at this dashcam. On the front we have a 6 glass f1.8 aperture camera lens with 140-degree field of view. To the left is a speaker. On the side here we have a cover for installing the memory card. Above that is a power LED. At the bottom, here's a reset switch. Next to it is a microphone. At the top is a power button. This is where you install the windshield mounts and the micro USB power input port. On the back is a large 3-inch IPS display with a resolution of 640 by 340. And at the bottom of the display there are 4 capacitive touch buttons right here. Let's power this on. Here you can set the date and time. Now from the setup menu, you'll notice it only has Chinese language. Currently this model does not support English language, but I'll show you in a second. There's really not a lot of setup you need to do on this dashcam. Now at the bottom of the screen you have 4 capacitive buttons. First one on the left is a microphone. You can mute and unmute the microphone. Next to it is the event lock button. So if you see something happening on the road and you want to lock this video clip, press this button. So that video clip is saved as an event video. The next one is playback mode. Here you can play back regular recording. Next one over is event recording. Next one is parking mode recording. And the last one is snapshot photos. The last button on the right is a settings button. Now if you want to, you can use Google Translate to translate the menu right here. Here I have Google Translate app open. I'll point the camera in front of the menu and it'll translate it. So the first menu item is Wi-Fi. You can turn this on or off. Next one down, boot ringtone. You can turn this on or off. Next one, time. Now this is a time for turning off the LCD. So let's go into it. You can choose steady, 1 minute or 30 seconds. If you set it to steady, then the LCD will not turn off while it's recording. Next one is collision sensitivity. This is your G sensor. You can set this for low, medium or high. Video quality. Speaker volume. Memory card state, this will show you the size of the memory card and how much memory is used. Format memory card. System time, here you can set the date and time. Parking monitor, you can turn this on or off. System update. Reset to set the unit back to factory default. About. This will show you the version of the software. Now this device is pretty much a set it and forget it device, so once you have it configured, you can just start using it and you don't have to make any other changes to it. As for the resolution, it records in 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Now that is the only resolution it offers, so there are no settings you need to make for that. As for the parking mode, there is a built-in lithium-ion battery that's rated at 470 milliamp hour. So if you enable the parking mode and you park a car, turn off the ignition, the dash cam will turn off and begin monitoring for any impact to the vehicle. So if another vehicle hits it, then the dash cam will turn on, record a 30-second video clip, and turn off automatically. Let's take this to the car, get it installed, and we'll check out the daytime and nighttime recording. Remove the backing on the clear film and then place this onto the windshield. Next, remove the backing on the windshield mounts. Place the dash cam onto the clear film. Route the USB power cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down to your center console. Plug the power adapter into the 12-volt accessory port. Turn on the ignition. The dash cam will turn on and begin recording. As you can see from the daytime and nighttime video recording, this Xiaomi 1S dashcam has pretty good recording. With a full HD resolution, you can make out road signs and license plate numbers in front of you. Now I did find a video to have a bit more noise than I would like to see, but the overall exposure for daytime and nighttime is good. Especially with the Starvis Nightvision, it does capture everything in front of the camera during nighttime. I was also very impressed with the clarity of the IPS LCD display. The picture you see on the screen is crystal clear, and this can be very useful if you're playing back the recorded video on the dashcam. Now at the time of doing this review, you can get this on gearbest.com for $71. If you're interested, I will include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching the review of this Xiaomi 1S dashcam. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.